This video is sponsored by Bars Leaks. Visit barsleaks.com for more information.
This floor jack, it's been in our garage for 5 years now and has been acting up lately. I noticed that the jack will not start to move until it has been pumped 4 or 5 times. When I flipped it over, well, it was easy to see that it has been losing small amounts of oil during its hard life. Your first task is to find the manual for the jack if possible. Sometimes this can be found in a cabinet somewhere or even can be found online. Using the manual will help you to find the fill hole. This can help you find the fill and bleed ports to avoid making the mistake of removing a plug that should be remaining in place. Also, the manual will typically include steps for filling and bleeding the cylinder. To fill the oil on this jack, well, clean up the area around the fill hole. When you remove the plug, look at the level of the oil. With this jack, it is easy to see it is low. We will be using Bars Leak jack oil with a stop leak to fill this jack. The bottle has a convenient spout that fits into the fill hole. The hydraulic oil also includes stop leak, which is specifically formulated to stop and seal O-rings and leaks caused by normal jack wear and age. This product renews the old jack and prevents leaks from seeping through newer jacks. The jack oil is non-corrosive, non-clogging, and non-foaming. After it's filled, turn the handle counterclockwise to open up the valve. Then pump the jack handle up and down quickly 10 to 15 times to bleed the air from the system. Bars Leak jack oil with stop leak will start to work when poured into the jack. And after a few days, the leaks of this jack should be sealed. It will also continue to protect the seals for years to come. This previous formulation also works with bottle jacks, lifts, rams, shocks, and even snowplows. Since we have this jack on the bench, I'm also going to lubricate the rollers, the casters, and even the pivot points for the handle of this lifting arm. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.